Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you what's inside this October Scrawlrbox. Scawlr is an art subscription company based in the UK. The cost for a Scrawlrbox is £15 per month, which includes postage, £45 for every 3 months, £85 for 6 months and £165 for a whole year, which saves you £15. They also ship internationally and shipping costs will be added at checkout. And with this out of the way, let's check what's inside the box. Okay, let's have a look what's inside this box. We have interesting sticker as usual, small description. Then we have, what are these? Manuscript, Creative, Flexi. Sweet as usual. Uncle Joe's mint balls. Oh, I like mints. So these are flexible italic brush tips. Oh, flexible, that's good. Comes in a lot of colors. Interesting. I have never tried calligraphy. My handwriting is not very good. I'm actually trying to learn brush lettering at the moment. It will be interesting to see how these work. Then we have a pencil by Kohinoor Hardwood. Okay, I heard good things about this company, so it will be interesting to see what this pencil is like. This is a liner. Is it white? No, it's a black one, black liner. Central pen. Then we have another pen with what looks like Japanese writing. Again, this is a brush tip, I think, yeah. And what's the other side? Yeah, this is also a brush tip, just a bit thicker. And I think this is grey. This is not a good paper to use for this. Let's have a look. I will test these anyway later on. Then we have a Scrawlr pad, 20 sheets of 140 GSM cartridge paper. Okay, I think this is designed for calligraphy, and again I will have a play with that. And finally a magazine, and oh, this is a nice picture, quite like that. Who's the artist? Ayman Hazuri, from Syria originally, and he living and working in France. Okay, this is really nice, and it's all done with these products. And then finally we have the magazine with more explanation about the pens and an interview with the artist. I like his style, it's really nice. And some tips on how to use the pens, which is quite useful for me because as I said, I have no experience with calligraphy. And the gallery. Okay. I will have a play with these pens and will show you how they work. and that will be in the video later. Of course I will edit this all. The sticker has some nice colors. These Manuscript Kali Creative Flexi markers are sold in a box of 12 markers. They have a nice flexible chisel cut tip and contain non-toxic water-based ink. The retail price for these is £15.99 and they are made in the Czech Republic. This Kuretake Fute twin tip marker has a flexible brush tip on both ends and is specifically designed for calligraphy and brush lettering. It is made in Japan and the retail price for this pen is £4.90. This Centro Pen Liner 2811F has a very fine tip and is made in the Czech Republic. The retail price for this pen is 50 pence. This Kohinoor Hardwood pencil is a B pencil and it contains more graphite and has a break-resistant lead. The pencil is also made in the Czech Republic and the retail price is 45 pence. This unusual sized paper pad was specifically created for the box. It has 20 long thin sheets of high quality cartridge paper and the weight is 140 GSM. The retail price for this pad is £2.20 and the total value of this box comes to £24 and 4 pence. The Kohinoor pencil is a B pencil, so not too soft or too hard. And depending on the pressure you can get more grey coverage or slightly darker lines, but it's not too dark. It does its job. The Centro pen has a very fine line. It's probably a 0.1. It doesn't really say how thick the tip is. The Kuretake pen is really nice to use. It can give you very fine lines and broader brush strokes. Kuretake are famous for their high quality pens and I think I will use this pen more often. Here I am trying the calligraphy pens by Manuscript. The flexible chisel tip allows for a variety of strokes and lines. These pens are quite fun to use, though as you can see I'm not trying anything ambitious here. I'm just getting a feel for how these pens work and what the colors are like. And as this is not very exciting to watch, I'm speeding this up now. I also tested this paper pad quickly to see if the pens bleed through or not. The paper absorbs the colors well, and they don't bleed through the paper, as you can see. I really struggled with this month's challenge, and I will probably have another go when I spend more time with it. The theme was a themic aesthetic. What is meant by this? It is basically using lines and symbols that look like writing but have no meaning and relate to the enjoyment and study of beauty. In the booklet it was recommended to just start doodling and drawing symbols, which I did for a while, as you can see on these sheets of paper. This warm-up exercise gives you a feel for the pens. After a while I settled for this symbol. To me it looks a bit like a dancer. It has a lot of movement in it, so I tried to recreate it and added hair to it. The face was another idea which just looks weird. I also tried to fill this sheet with several of these dancers. I'm not sure this challenge is my cup of tea. I love the pens though. I just thought I'd show you the artwork again that came in the box by Ayman Hassouri. He specializes in the use of calligraphy to create such a beautiful piece of art. I really enjoyed this month's box. The pens are really nice to use and I will definitely use them for drawings. Probably not for this type of drawing though. I hope you found this video interesting. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Happy drawing. Until next time.